Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you how to make your Canva designs interactive with clickable links. Click the Create button, then select Website. You can choose to use your own website or proceed with the tutorial option provided. Here are several templates. Select one to add it, then click the Apply All button to use it. Next, add a new view here, and then create a corresponding template. Look for a link that you can add to your website. This link is usually provided after publishing your content or creating your resource, and you'll use it to make your website visitors access the specific page directly. Select the text you want to add a hyperlink to. Press Ctrl+A to highlight all the text if needed. Next, type or paste the website address you want to link to, such as www.pago.com. This will connect your selected text to the specified link, making it clickable for anyone accessing your document or web page. Click Enter to finalize your changes. Next, select the option to download your file. Choose PDF Standard as the format, then click the Download button. Wait for the download to complete, and your file will be saved to your computer as a PDF document. Click on the option labeled 1. Then, click on the next option, also labeled 1, and repeat for the third one. After you've selected all three options, locate the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Click the Save button to confirm your selections and complete the process. Go to the section where you added the link. Locate the specific link you want to use. Click on the link to proceed to the next step. Clicking the button now directs users to google.com. That's how you add a link to a website or URL in your buttons. Use this method whenever you want buttons on your site to link to external web pages. To add a link to your text, highlight the text you want to link, then press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. In the window that appears, type or paste the website URL. Confirm to insert the link into your selected text. Notice that this button now displays an underscore, indicating it's connected to a link. When you see an underscore on a button, it means the link has been successfully applied. If a button does not have an underscore, select it, enter or paste your desired link, and then click OK to connect the button. Type youtube.com in the address bar, press enter on your keyboard, and you'll be taken directly to the YouTube homepage, ready to start browsing. Your website is now connected to your field. You can view how much data it contains directly here, showing the integration is successful. After completing your work, click the Share button, then select Download as App Sender. Ensure you set the appropriate pages for download so that only the intended content is included in the exported file. You're done. The task is now complete. Now you know how to add clickable links in Canva. Give it a try! Hit like and subscribe for more simple design tips.